How to install the insect screen on an Innotech Tilt and Turn window. High-quality insect screens are available for Innotech Tilt and Turn windows. The insect screens for your Innotech Tilt and Turn windows are shipped loose with your purchase. This is to protect the insect screens during shipping, installation, and construction. Make sure to safely store the insect screens in a clean and dry area until you are ready to install them. For your convenience, each insect screen is labeled to match the labels on the windows. After you have identified the insect screen for each window, we recommend removing the labels. Once the labels are removed, gently clean the frames of the screen with a water and mild soap solution. Do not use any abrasive cloths or chemicals. Open the window in the turn position. While holding the pull tab, safely position the insect screen inside the window frame. Do not lean on the insect screen or lean out of the window. Gently turn each stainless steel tab around the insect screen to attach it to the window.